Okay, so good day guys. So another video again from SPDB. Okay, so this is the flight controller. Okay, so we will unbox this and check if what inside. Okay, so this is the flight controller that I made for my FPV build, the 3.5 inch build. Okay, I built this FPV with my own. Okay, so let's gonna open this. Okay, so this is the flight controller, guys. This flight controller is the F4 Mini stock, okay? So we can connect this for our FPV frame, like the 3.5 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch, okay? So this flight controller, guys, is compatible with 3 or 6 for 6S battery, okay? So I'm building this flight controller with a 4S battery with 850 milliamperes, okay? So we will install this in my next video, okay? With my Volador Flyfish 3.5 inch. I'm trying to build the under 35 grams, but I think I cannot, guys. So this is the flight controller. So you can connect it all you can, okay? You have here the DJI-O3, the GPS, buzzer, RunCam, Caddx Vista. So all what you need in this flight controller, guys, if here now with the size of 20 by 20, okay? So this is not compatible with the 5-inch frame, okay? Only for 3.5 and 4-inch frame. So this comes from the box, guys. If you purchase the $59. So we have here the battery connector, the XT30, the capacitor, and this connector, okay, with the ESC and the flight controller. So one more thing, guys, the feature is have the M2 connector, guys, to install the flight controller, the M2 and M3. Okay, so you can choose here. So by the way, I'm using the M2 with the 3.5 inch, the connector of the DJI-O3. Okay, so this is all what comes inside the box, okay? If you purchase the $59 flight controller, this PDB F4 Mini. So this is new. So we will connect with the Volador Flyfish. This is my 3.5 inch build. My first build with my own, okay? So I think not bad with the $59, okay? So this is the motor that I will install, okay? And solder the flash from Flyfish also. The 3500 kV compatible with 4S battery, okay? Okay, so watch until the end, guys, with my first FPV build so that you will build also with your own, okay? With this flight controller. So overall, this flight controller is good for me, 100%. So with this chip, you can purchase all of this, okay? To put in your Volador Flyfish 3.5 inch or 3 inch, okay? Okay, so that's only for today, guys. Till next time again, okay? See you in my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.